Hey guys, real quick, I want to show you this is an 827 credit score that I achieved in 45 days. So I did not have 800 credit, but I am now up to 827 according to Experian. So you see that, guys? 827. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm looking for 100 people that want to raise their credit score at least by 100 points within 30 days. So I have a 45-day credit challenge that I'm inviting you right here, right now, who wants to have fun by winning prizes and competing against other people just like you that are going to raise their credit score and have fun doing so. So guys, sign up free right now to get your free credit repair resources guide. And then I'm going to see you on the other side. I'm inviting you to this challenge that you are going to want to sign up to and win cool prizes like thousands of dollars worth of prizes. I've got gift cards, I've got headphones, I've got cash prizes, Visa gift cards, all kinds of cool stuff just for raising your credit score. It's a win-win all around. So guys, don't miss this opportunity right here, right now. Get your score to where it wants to be, above 800. Get those negative things removed off your credit report. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. Just sign up on this training right here, and then I'm going to invite you to the challenge, and we are going to rock and roll and get your credit score up to above 800 if you follow my instructions, and then you'll have the chance to win cool prizes. So guys, I will see you on the other side, and I can't wait.